Finding out your Wise account is under review is a total headache, especially when your money is sitting in limbo. I'm going to show you exactly how to get your account back on track and what specific documents you need to submit right now to speed things up. If you stay until the end, I will share one specific habit that flags your account for permanent closure so you can avoid losing your access for good. The reality is that Wise is not just being difficult. They are required by law to watch every move. Think of it like a security guard at a high-end bank who stops you because your ID looks slightly different than it did last year. Your account usually hits a snag because of a sudden large transfer, an expired ID, or because you logged in from a strange new device. Sometimes it is as simple as using a personal account for business payments, which is a major red flag for their compliance team. If you mentioned a restricted country in a transfer note, that triggers a much deeper sanctions check that can last weeks. To fix this, the first thing you must do is stop trying to open a second account. That is the fastest way to get banned forever. Instead, open your email and the Wise app immediately. Look for a specific notification asking for more information. First, you need to gather a high-quality photo of your passport or driver's license. Make sure none of the corners are cut off in the photo. Next, make sure you have a digital copy of your most recent bank statement or a payslip. Wise needs to see exactly where your money came from to prove it is legitimate. Now, simply upload these documents directly through the secure link in the app. Once that is done, use the in-app chat feature to let them know the files are ready. This is usually the fastest way to get a human to look at your case. If you can't find the chat, look for the appeal option in your account settings. Most simple ID checks are resolved in about 2 days, but if your review involves complex transfers, it might take a full business week. If you are stuck in a sanctions review, you need to be prepared to wait up to 30 days. The pro tip I promised you is about how you fund your transfers. Always make sure the bank account you use to send money to Wise is in your exact name. If you send money from a friend's account or a joint account where your name isn't the primary one, Wise will flag it as suspicious activity every single time. Keeping your names perfectly matched across all platforms is the easiest way to stay off their radar. Now that your account is getting sorted, you should learn how to set up a secondary backup provider so you are never left without a way to send money if a review happens again.